poison legal. Watch the danger of cooking with these cubes. Our nutrition is the key to health. Not many realize that nutrition should not only be seen when we are overweight or want to lose weight. On the contrary, it should be taken into account even when we are healthy. Food is the key to everything. That is why consuming natural things makes our body work much better, since it should not deal with all the chemical waste that many companies add to their products, which obviously hurt us. When we talk about chemicals, many people think of junk food, but there is a very common addition that causes problems and not everyone knows. We are going to talk about them so that you stop using them immediately and take care of your family's health. We are talking about the cubes used for our soups. All these well-known brands offer different products for instant foods, whether in overversion or in small cubes. While it is true that this is a quick fix for those who do not intend to cook something elaborate, the truth is that it is not at all recommendable, as it hurts our health greatly, and we will try to explain why. It turns out that these products have something called monosodium glutamate, which is a chemical compound necessary for their preparation that can cause various problems like allergies, arrhythmias, vomiting and other similar symptoms. Besides, these products do not contribute anything beneficial to our body, not even because the packaging says it. This is because its preparation is purely chemical, even its flavors. These products are made with an immense amount of sodium, which can be very harmful to health, so we must be very careful when consuming them. Apart from all this, its chicken or similar flavors are rather a mass of chemicals and other similar substances that at the end do nothing but harm our organism. Now, this does not mean that you should consume dehydrated soups. Simply proceed to use different vegetables to give you that touch you like instead of these cubes. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.